am Avnish, and in today's question I will be taking trigonometric function, that is f of t equals to sin 2t, and I will be taking the Laplace transform of that. So now I am going to solve the question. So we are given the question, find the Laplace transform of function f of t equals to sin 2t. So here f of t equals to sin 2t. According to the definition of Laplace transform, the Laplace transform of a function f of t equals to the integral 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t, that is the function dt. Now we have to substitute f of t equals to sin 2t. So e power minus st into sin 2t dt. Now we can solve this using integration by parts. For using integration by parts, we can mark it as function 1 and this as function 2. So according to integration by parts, we can do it like this. The first function, that is sin 2t, into the integration of the second function, that is e power minus st. So integration of e power minus st will be minus 1 by s e power minus st minus the limit here goes from 0 to infinity minus integral taken from 0 to infinity the differentiation of the first function. So differentiation of sin 2t with respect to t will become 2 cos 2t into integration of the second function, that is again minus 1 by s e power minus st dt. When we apply the limits, e power minus infinity will be 0 and 0 multiplied by sin 2t will again be 0. So it will be 0 minus, when we apply a lower limit, that is 0, sin 0 will again be 0. So it will again turn this whole part to 0. So this whole part turns to 0 minus we have this. So we can take minus 2 by s outside and this minus will become plus. So 2 by s integration 0 to infinity cos 2t into e power minus st dt. So we are remaining with this integral. It can also be solved by integration by parts. So we are solving this by integration by parts. 2 by s integration by parts says that we have to write the first function, that is this, and second function this. So first function, that is cos 2t, into integration of second function, that is minus 1 by s e power minus st, the limits taken from 0 to infinity minus integral 0 to infinity the differentiation of the first function, that is minus 2 sin 2t into integral of the second function, that is minus 1 by s e power minus st dt. This whole thing is multiplied by 2 by s. We can write it 2 by s. When we take 1 by s out from here, 1 by s cos 2t minus e power minus st limit 0 to infinity minus, when we take this minus and this minus will become plus. So and we take minus 2 by s outside, so it will become 2 by s integral 0 to infinity sin 2t into e power minus st dt. Now we can take 1 by s common from both these. It will be 2 by s square, and now we can apply the limits. So e power infinity will be 0, it will and 0 multiplied by cos 2t, it will be 0, minus cos 0 will be 1 and e power 0 will also be 1. So, and here is minus sign, so it will become minus 1. Minus, we have taken 1 by s outside, so it will remain, 2 will be remaining here. And when we see that integration taken from 0 to infinity sin 2t into e power minus st dt was the Laplace transform of f of t. So we can write it, we can replace it with Laplace of f of t. Now this minus and this minus will become plus, so multiplying with 2 by s square, it will be 2 by s square and minus 4 by s square Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t. Now when we send this 4 by s square Laplace of f of t to this side, and we take Laplace of f of t common from both these things, both those. So Laplace of f of t, when we take common, we are remaining with 1 plus 4 by s square equals to, and this side we are only remaining with 2 by s square. So Laplace of f of t equals to 2 by s square multiplied with, this will become reciprocal, so s square upon s square plus 4. S square and s square will get cancelled out, so we will be remaining with 2 by s square plus 4 Laplace of f of t. So we have finally reached the answer, that is the Laplace of the function f of t equals to sin 2t is 2 by s square plus 4. That is our final answer.